Welcome to my channel, dear students. Today, this is the proof of some binomial expression by the integration. See, here is the problem. If 1 plus x to the power n, as you know, this is the binomial series for when n is a positive integer, then c0 plus c1 x plus c2 x square plus dot dot cn x to the power n. Then prove that number 1, c0 by 1 minus c1 by 2 plus c2 by 3 minus c3 by 4 plus dot dot minus 1 whole to the power n cn by n plus 1 equal to 1 over n plus 1. Number 2, second problem is here. Seven c0 plus 7 square c1 by 2 plus 7q c2 by 3 plus dot dot plus 7 to the power n plus 1 into cn by n plus 1 equal to 2 to the power 3n plus 3 minus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, very interesting question for board exam, for 10 plus 2 level, and also for JEE Main and advanced and different type of competitive exam. See here, as you know, the binomial expression is here 1 plus x whole to the power n plus c0 plus c1 into x plus c2 x square plus dot dot to cn into x to the power n. Okay. Now integrating both sides. 1 plus x whole to the power n dx integral c0 plus c1x plus c2 x square plus dot dot plus cn x to the power n dx. Integrating, then 1 c0x plus c1 x square by 2 plus c2 x cube by 3 plus c3 x to the power 4 by 4 plus dot dot cn into x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to 1 plus x whole to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c plus integration constant, that is a. Putting x equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 0 whole to the power 2n by n plus 1 plus a. So a is equal to minus 1 over n plus 1. If we put 0 on the left hand side, the whole thing is 0. So then we got a is equal to minus 1 over n plus 1. Clear? Again putting x equal to minus 1. Now put the value of a is equal to 1 over minus 1 over n plus 1 to the above equation. Then c0x plus c1 by 2x square plus c2 by 3x cube plus c3 by 4 into x square 4 dot 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 plus cn by n plus 1 into x square n plus 1 equal to 1 plus x whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. Now putting x is equal to minus 1. As you see the number 1 question, here is a plus minus plus minus. So that's why you're putting here minus 1. So c0 minus 1 plus c2 minus 1 whole square plus c2 by 3 into minus 1 whole cube, C3 by 4 into minus 1 whole to the power 4 plus dot dot minus 1 whole to the power Cn by n plus 1 or minus 1 whole to the power n plus 1 equal to 0 by n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. If we put x equal to minus 1, then 1 plus x is at 0. Then got the answer minus C0 plus C1 by 2 minus C2 by 3 plus C4 by C3 by 4 minus dot 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 minus 1 whole to the power minus n into minus 1 by n plus 1 equal to minus 1 over n plus 1. So minus 1 taken count on the left hand side and cancel out to the right hand side with C0 minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 minus C3 by 4 plus dot dot minus 1 whole to the power n by n plus 1 equal to 1 over n plus 1. Got the answer for question number 1. Very interesting question. See the second question clearly. Now second, 7 into C0 plus 7 square into C1 by 2 plus 7 cube into C2 by 3 plus dot 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 plus 7 to the power n plus 1 into Cn by n plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 3n plus 3 minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Again write the binomial expansion, that is 1 plus x whole to the power n, then integrate. This is 0 to 7 here. As you see, the coefficient of all the C0, C1, C2 are 7. So integrating 0 to 7, C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus C3x cube plus dot 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 plus Cn into x to the power n dx. And that is equal to 0 to 7, 1 plus x whole to the power n into dx. Integrating and put the limit, upper limit and lower limit, then we got the answer. That is C0x plus C1x square by 2 plus C2 by x cube by 3 plus dot dot C3 into x to the power 4 by 4 plus dot dot Cn into x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And limit is at 0 to 7. And here is 1 plus x whole to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. And limit here is 0 to 7. Okay. Therefore, on the left hand side, got the answer C0 into 7 plus C1 by 2 into 7 square, C2 by 3 into 7 cube, C3 by 4 into 7 to the power 4 plus dot dot Cn by n plus 1 into 7 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, if we put 0 on the lower limit, then whole thing is 0, then 1 plus 7 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus, if we put 0 lower limit, then 1 plus 0 by n plus 1 whole to the power n plus 1. Okay. Now simplify. On the left hand side, we have 7 into 7 C0 plus 7 square into C1 by 2 plus 7 cube into C2 by 3 plus dot 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 plus 7 to the power n plus 1 into Cn by n plus 1 is equal to 8 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. LCM are same on the right hand side. So 8 can be written as 2 cube. Then we got here 2 to the power 3n plus 3 minus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, we got the answer. Thank you for watching my video, everyone.